Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I have some super exciting news. I and some fellow YouTubers, Marquita83 and TaragayNicole from the TaragayNicole channel, are going to be doing a April sticker challenge. Yes, for April we are going to be doing a sticker challenge, and it is open to anybody else who would like to join. For the first week, the sticker rules are as followed. The first week we will be using stickers that we already have. You can use any stickers that you want, but you cannot go out and buy stickers for that particular week. Really for any week at all during the sticker challenge, if I'm not mistaken, except for the second week. In the second week, we'll be using Dollar Tree stickers. So if you don't have any Dollar Tree stickers, you can go out and buy some Dollar Tree stickers, or a sticker set from the Dollar Tree. Anything like that is perfectly fine. For week 3, we'll be sending stickers to one another. Hopefully we can get somebody else. Hopefully one of you guys would want to be up for the challenge, so that we can send a sticker set to each other. On the 4th week, we will be doing a no sticker challenge. Now this week for me is probably going to be the most challenging because I am used to using a sticker kit. It is going to be challenging for myself. I don't know about anybody else that's going to join us, but for me it will be. You can still use crayons or highlighters or markers or colorful pens, anything like that. Anything our hearts desire but stickers. So it's going to be a little more challenging for me this week. If you do decide to join us with the sticker challenge, hopefully you can let us know by the end of the week. By the 30th, we're hoping, so that we can at least get one more person to do this challenge with us, so that we can be able to swap evenly. And if not, then of course we'll just figure it out. We are using the app Hangout. I have an iPhone, so you can definitely download it on iPhones and Android. And that's how we have been communicating. So I hope you guys enjoy the challenge for the month of April. I'll leave the links to both of the channels, to TaragayNicole and Marquita83, down below for you guys if you want to check out their channel as well. And thank you again so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, guys. Bye.